Hey guys, do you want to give location access to your Facebook profile? Then make sure you have watched this video to the very end, because in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the exact way how to give location access to your Facebook profile. So if you like this video, so just make sure you have subscribed this channel to don't miss the latest video in future. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, we have the two ways to give access to your Facebook profile. First is from your Facebook app and the other is from your profile setting. So first of all, we will start from Facebook profile. Just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap at these three lines on the top right corner to come to the menu section. Once you come to your menu section, just simply tap at this gear in front of the search icon to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permission. Let me show it to you clearly. That one, just simply tap on it, device permissions, and then here it will show all of about your profile, that what you have allowed to your Facebook profile and what you have not allowed to access your device. Here it will show you location option. Like let me show it to you clearly. This one, if you want to give location access, just simply tap at see information and tap at update settings and tap at open device settings. It will be redirect you to your mobile phone settings. Just simply tap at permissions, and then here it will show all about what you have allowed or what you have not allowed. Here you can find the option of location in not allowed option. Just simply tap on it, and here just simply tap ask every time or allow only while using the app. That's up to you which option you want to choose it. You want to give it permission at every time once you open it will ask for you, and if you tap at allow only while using the app, so then it will just allow this option to your profile while you will using this app. So just simply tap on it like in this way. So that's how you can easily give location access to your Facebook profile. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.